Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's topic is again it's about a DAX scenario, and which will try to resolve through the few functions like has one value, value, selected value, all these things. Let me first tell you the requirement here. So requirement is simple. Like I have a report with subcategory net sales, and I need a filter on top of it, a slicer I need, where it should show me the dollars, $1,000, $1,000,000, and my $1,000,000,000. Let's take these are the four filters I want, and if I select based on that, the net sales should display the data for me. Like if I select $1,000,000, it should be millions, billions, $1,000, dollars, normal. Okay. So what we will do? First of all, in my model currently, I don't have such table, right, which will show me the dollar, $1,000, all these things. So let's first create a dummy table or temp table. Okay. So I'm giving the name as called sales units. Okay. And the first column I will put my units here. Okay. And second column I'll put the value here. Okay. So first units I will say dollars. Dollars unit will be one. Then I will say $1,000. Okay, that will be my 1,000. This is the figure. Okay, let me do like this. Now I have $1,000,000. Okay, that is 1 6 times 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, that is million. Now last one, it will be my $1,000,000,000. So it will be 9 times 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so now load this data. Alright, now take a slicer here on top of this, spread it like this, and put from the sales unit and add the units here. Okay, instead of putting it vertically, I will put slicer setting, go for tile. Okay, so it will be clickable in this format. Now I got it. So I can select this, select this, select this, select this. I will not select anything. This is my filter. Okay. Now we need to see right now there is no interaction happening, right? So I need to create a net sale separately based on the selection. Okay, so what I will do, I'll create a new measure, then I will say net sales. Okay, net sales, or I'll calculate the average net sales here in this case. Let's take average of net sales. Just try to difference something. Okay, you can do any measures here. I'm just creating average of net sales based on the selection here. So what I'll check here, if as one value of my units, sales units, okay, if it's single value, then what I will do, I will divide my let's say my net sales divided by my units. How you are not able to get the units, you need to use the values function for this, then only you will get it. Okay, else I will show blank. Okay, this is my logic, average of the net sales. Okay, now let's try to put that column here and see how it is working. The normal net sales will not work, but when I'm calculating the average of net sales, okay, let's select something. Okay, because I'm not selecting anything, it is getting blank. So let's select something. What happened? Cannot convert valuable instance to text type number. Okay. Uh, mm, Just let me check the units table. Just give me a second. Okay, what is units here? The text. Oh, sorry. It should be divided by the values, not the unit. Units is the normal one. Okay, sorry for that. So it should be divided by values divided by values actually. Value. Sales unit value. Okay. And when this one also we need to check this. So value. Let's see. Now, hopefully this will work. Select. Yes. So it is coming zero. There is no zero. Dollars. Yeah, it is working. See, the dollars is different value. $1,000,000 0.59 590. So based on the different scenarios, we can create your this one. Okay. So you can do anything here in this case, but this is will be the logic. We need to check this. Okay. And instead of that, let's try to check units and see. Okay. And let's try to do dollars. Yes, absolutely fine. $1,000,000, $1,000. Okay. So this is the average dollars on the billion. It will be same. There is no dollar, $1,000,000, $1,000. So different stories, different the kind of the formatting you can use it out. Okay. So here what we are doing is we are just checking the first value has one value of your units. Okay. If it is there, then divided the net sales. That's it. It is doing it. Okay. Make sense? Okay. So this is the way you can do anything. You can calculate the net sales by the values also. You can sum it up. You can check the condition plus minus or less than greater than anything you can use. But this will be your logic. Or you can instead of doing all this thing, you can use the selected value as well. Okay. Now one more item I want to check it here in this case. I just want to take a card here. In this card, very tiny card is here. I want to showcase here small card. Okay, in between here I want to select whatever I'm selecting. I just want to showcase here in this case. Okay, so here I will create a title here, and this time I will use my selected value here, the selected value of my values. Okay, or let me check what are the columns I have given. Units, units. So okay, this is the column units. Okay, so this is my title. Now put the title into here. So the normally nothing is there. There is no title. But when you select the $1,000,000,000, so it is coming. There is a less size here. Can you put it like this? Or the problem with is with the white color actually. Let me, yeah, this is the color. I want to change it. So it is coming dollar. I don't want my category levels to be on dollars, $1,000,000,000, $1,000,000, $1,000. So this we can place it here somewhere. Okay, here we can place it so that it will be clear to the idea that what we are selecting $1,000,000 dollar, and based on that the value also will be start changing out. Okay, got it? So this kind of things you can do for any bucketing. Okay, all right. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to this channel for more interesting content like this, and thank you and have a nice day.